summer maintenance tips to keep your home in tip-top condition. We're going to go rapid fire and cover off the most important points. Number 1, replace furnace filters. Why? To keep your furnace running efficiently, you need to change the filters every 3 months. Keeping a dirty filter means your furnace has to work twice as hard to push out heat. Number 2, measure and grade your soil. Why? Soil and landscaping needs to be graded away from your home. This means that the slope of your lawn needs to be moving away from your house. Water will take the path of least resistance. So if the dirt in your yard slopes towards your home, water will follow the slope and then find the easiest point of entry into your foundation. 3, fill foundation cracks. Why do you need to do that? Well, water can enter into small cracks and holes in your foundation, and over time can cause significant damage to your foundation. To protect your home, repair these cracks and holes. Number 4, clean up mold and mildew. Why do you need to do that? Well, mold and mildew grow where water sits on absorbent surfaces. Left alone, the spores will continue to grow and making the mold or mildew patch grow in size. What do you need to do? Well, you need to get rubbing alcohol and water spray the mold and mildew and then scrub it away. Remember, use gloves, mask, as this stuff is not good to breathe. Replace cracked caulking around windows and doors. Why do you need to do that? Well, wooden window sills and door frames are prone to rot, and this becomes an easy access point for pests such as termites or carpenter ants to find a home. Don't caulk over the old caulking. Instead, use a knife, remove the old caulking, and then reapply a new seal around the window. Roof. Very important, the number 1 defense system in your home. Do an exterior inspection, make sure all loose shingles or any weak spots are attended to. And my last point, number 7, test your hot water pressure tank valve. Why? Hot water tank valves do on occasion get blocked up, and this can turn your tank into a pressurized bomb. To make sure you don't have a dangerous hazard in your home, simply test the valve once per year. How do you do that? Well, you place a bowl underneath the valve and then turn the valve. Don't use your hands as the water is scalding hot. The valve is working if the water pours out, okay? And my last tip, locate and check the main shutoff valve for water. Why do you need to do that? Well, typically your plumbing pipes won't stop working, although they may spring a leak. But the reason why you want to test your main shutoff valve once per year is to ensure that this shutoff hasn't seized. Too many times a homeowner forgets about the shutoff valve until one day a plumbing nightmare happens. To repair it, the homeowner will rush to shut off the water in the home only to find out the shutoff valve is seized. So what do you need to do? Just go check it out, know where it is, twist the handle, make sure it's open and it closes easily. Consider cleaning off some dirt there and spraying a bit of lubricant. That's it for my summer tips for today. Enjoy the rest of your day.